In this video, I'm going to show you how to see what keywords your Google Business Profile page is coming up. And this is helpful so you can see what people are searching to find you and what Google is associating your business with. Okay, so first off, we're going to jump in, open up a new tab. Obviously, make sure you're on Google Chrome or Google search. If you're in the correct email, which you can tell up here, you're going to see your business on Google. We are going to go to performance. When we scroll down, it shows right here the searches that showed your business in the search results, and we can click see more. And this is going to give you a great overview of what people are searching for one, and what Google is associating and ranking your business for two. The only other thing I want to point out on this is going to be filtered like everything else in this performance tab by date. By default, it's going to have all 6 months selected. I recommend having that selected when you're looking at the keywords, because it's going to give you a little bit more information. But if you wanted to, you could just select one of these months and see what keywords you were ranking for in that month. Okay, hope that helps. For the mobile version of this, check in the description or on this page. Stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.